I'm Sarah from Jimmy Beans Wool, and today we're going to go over how to do the M1A increase. So I've got a swatch right here where I have been working this increase for a few rows now, and you can see it is almost invisible right here. We've just got a couple of very small holes where I've been adding a stitch along this ridge on the right side only of this swatch. So you can see we've got a little bit of twisted yarn where the stitches are starting to emerge from. This increase, M1A, is not the most common increase. You might have seen its cousins, the M1L or M1R, where you lift a bar between the live stitches to create that new stitch. This is different from that. So let me just work up to the point in my swatch where I want to put my increase. Okay. So I have arrived at about 5 stitches into the stockinette section, and you can see right here that this is the line. Let me see if I can show you a little better. This is the line of where we want to add our increase. Now to do the M1A, the make one away, what you're going to want to do is wind up with the working yarn away from you at the back of the work. That's why it's called that. So this is a good increase if you're doing stockinette or anything that requires like a very nice finished polished increase. This is certainly one you can use if you are just told M1 in your pattern or make one. So to do this increase, you'll grab your working yarn and you're going to make a little loop like this so that the working yarn crosses over the top of the yarn that's connected to your swatch. So let me do that again. I just grab the yarn over my pointer finger and I do a little flip. So you can see I've got a loop here pinched between my fingers, and the working yarn is over the top of that loop. And now to make that increase, I'm just going to slip that loop over the top of my needle and pull it snug. So I have made one stitch, and now I can continue on with my knitting. When you come to this stitch on the wrong side of your work, when you're coming back across, you'll just knit that stitch normally. And what that does is it again creates a nice gusset if you do these increases that is nearly invisible. So you can add these shaping or whatever you need to your work.
Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing because we have a lot more yarn reviews, tutorials, and other fiber fun like that. Happy crafting!